Hi, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to find minimum value from the date range in Google Sheets. So for example, we have here this data, we have information about the date, name and sales value. If we would like to find minimum value from the sales value column, we need to click somewhere here. For example, I click double time on this cell and then I type here equal sign, I type here min, I open the bracket, I select the range of data which I want to check. So for example, I select this range, I close the bracket and I press enter. After that, we can see here that the minimum value is 1000. It is the result because the minimum value from this range is 1000. We can't find here any value below this number because here we have 1000, 1000, 1000 and 1000. We can't find here anything below this value. So how you see, it really works. If I helped you to do it, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel. Please let me know in comment if it's a problem.